In this land, strength is respected, but true power comes from understanding one another. Strength may move fast, lion, but wisdom survives the longest journey. Even the slowest step still moves forward, as long as it never stops. Then we walk together, but as minds that learn from difference.
And as travelers who respect every pace.
What if I told you you can create this type of wildlife movies like this for free without paying for any AI tool? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something like this, and it's going to be long video. You can create 30-minute video, 1-hour video with this method I'm going to show you right now in this video. Everything is free. You don't need to pay for any AI tool. So now let's go dive into it. Let me take you guys on how you can create something amazing like this for free without paying for any AI tool. Let's get started. Now, the first thing to do to create that kind of video, all you have to do is to head over to ChatGPT. If you have been following my channel here, I've been talking about ChatGPT. I used to use ChatGPT a lot to generate all my videos prompts. Now, as you can see, this is what I gave to ChatGPT here. I said I want to create realistic animal movie, like a wildlife where tortoise, lion, snail working together. First, the lion talk and tortoise reply, and then snail talk also. I want them, 3 of them, to talk. So I need a professional video prompt that I can use to generate long videos using Grok AI. So this is what I gave to ChatGPT. This is my video idea. This is my video idea. Now, this is the response ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, say below professional production. So now this is the prompt I need. This is it. So as you can see, this is the prompt. Now, as you can see, say wildlife cinematic 4D camera, so you can see everything. Now, this is our first video scene here. As you can see, this is the environment. This is how the environment description is. As you can see, say Africa savanna transition into a green woodland. As you can see everything here. Now, this is our first character here. As you can see, this is our first character, which is adult male. As you can see, snail and everything. Now, this is our video scene, how the video scene should be. Now, this is how everything is. Now, I'm going to show you how I generated the entire video right now using Grok AI for free. So, to do this kind of thing, after you have successfully generated your video prompt, everything, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to Grok AI. This is Grok AI. If you have been following my channel here, you'll be seeing a lot of videos I talk about Grok AI. Now, next thing you are going to do is to click on Imagine here, and when you click on Imagine here, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. When it brings you to an interface like this, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now, we'll be copying our video character. As you can see, everything here, the prompt. I want us to copy from this our character here. Let's copy here. As you can see, it's a lion here. From this lion, let's copy from this lion here. Let's copy down. You copy down. No, you copy down to this place. Let's copy our character. We need the character first. The character here. Now, we click on copied. After we click on copy, we go back to Grok AI. Now, we paste it here. Now, we'll be generating our image. We click on paste. We are going to generate the image of the character. Now, let's click on this generate here. We are going to generate the image of the character. So let's just give it some minutes and it's going to generate the image for us. So after I generate this image for us, we are going to use this image to generate our video. So as you can see, this is different type of image it generated for us. As you can see, this is different type of image. So we can decide to choose anyone we like. So I want us to go with this one here, or this one. You can choose anyone. Let's just go with this one. We choose this one. Now, after choosing this one, the next thing we are going to do is to go and copy our first prompt, which we will use to generate this video. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT here. Now, this is ChatGPT. As you can see, this is our first prompt here. As you can see, it says, this is our first prompt. We copy everything here. This is the first prompt. Then we click on copied. After we click on copy, we go back to Grok AI again. Coming back to Grok AI, we are going to paste our prompt here. What we just copy right now, we are going to paste it here, as you can see. After pasting it, we click on generate and we generate our video. So in less than 1 minute, Grok AI is going to generate the full video for us. Yes, in less than 1 minute, Grok AI is going to generate the video for us. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when we drop more videos like this, you are also going to be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, after Grok AI successfully generate this video for us, I'm going to show you how you can consistently be generating the full video without missing any part. Now, as you can see, this is the video here. Now, as you can see, this is the video. Now, as you can see, this is the video where they were working together. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to click on this download, and we'll download this video to our phone. Then, after downloading this video to our phone, we post it here, and we move this to the end of the video, to the last part of the video. As you can see, after we move it, then we right click and we click on copy video frame. As you can see, copy video frame. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to go back here. I'm showing you right now you can create long videos. So you now paste that video frame to just copy now. The video frame, we paste it here. Now, to continue our video, as you can see, this is the video frame. That is the end of that video. Now, we'll now copy our second scene here. Our second scene here, as you can see, this is our second scene. Now, this is our second scene. We copy the prompt, as you can see, the prompt to this place. We copy, then we go back to Grok AI again, then we paste it here. As you can see, we paste it here. After pasting it, the next thing we're going to do is to click on generate. And Grok AI is going to generate the video from where it stopped without missing any part. It's going to generate the video, and it's going to be continuous video. You don't need to suffer yourself. It's going to do it for you. So let's just give it some minutes, and it's going to generate the video for you guys. Now, if you have not subscribed, just do what I said. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be getting latest videos like this. Now, it has successfully generated the video. Now, as you can see, without wasting any time, as you can see, it just generated video without even, you will not even know that the video was even short video. Now, don't worry, I'm going to show you new method again, how you can also do it again. Now, you just click on download, and you download it to your phone, and you click on post. After you post it, you take it back again. When you take it to the end again, you click on right click again using your laptop. You can also do it with your phone, but if you want to do it with your phone, you have to download the video to your phone and you save it so that you do screenshot. But if you are using laptop, you can do it just the way I'm doing it. Now you click on copy video frame, then you go back again and paste the video frame here again. You paste it here, as you can see. You click on paste. After you click on paste, the next thing I'm going to do is to go back to ChatGPT to paste it. Copy your next prompt. Now, this is our next prompt here again. The next prompt, we copy it to this place. As you can see, we click on copy. After we click on copy, we go back here again, Grok AI, and we paste our next prompt here. We paste it here and we click on generate. After we click on generate, Grok AI is going to also generate the next prompt for us. So this is how you are going to be doing it to generate the full video you want to generate. This method is what you have to follow. And after you follow the video method, is going to generate the full video scene for you, and it's going to look like a professional long video, which you don't need to pay for any AI tool to do this. So that is how you are going to do it, and you are going to generate all the entire scene. So after you generate all the entire scene, all you just have to do is to head over to any of your editing tool. You can use CapCut, or you can use Insight, or any video editing tool, so that you can add the video together and edit them. And when you edit them, it will look very nice, just the way you are seeing this one. Just the way you are seeing this one. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Let me play you guys the video one more time so that you guys can see how the video is after I edit everything.
In this land, strength is respected. Power comes from understanding one another.
Strength may move fast, lion, but wisdom survives the longest journey.
Even the slowest step still moves forward, as long as it never stops. Then we walk together, not as ruler and followers,
And as travelers who respect every pace,